I think probably most people in the audience are, keenly aware of the impact you've had in the cannabis space. Given your background, what got you excited about psychedelics and the mental health market and this particular opportunity?
Thanks, Rebecca, and thanks for putting on this conference, Psychedelic Capital. Microdose presents. It's a good step in the right direction for getting the word out with respect to what we're up to here in the psychedelic space. The reason I got into the space, number one, is because it's a global and noble effort for something that never should have been illegalized. It's a medicine that's been used for millennia by the shaman, and psilocybin being used by others. It's something that I felt passionate about after meeting Jeff, being introduced to Jeff and him asking me to be on the board. I found him to be very professional, and I thought that the mushroom that we're focusing on, the Amanita muscaria, is the mushroom to go with, mainly because number one, it's legal, and number two, it had a guy named Dr. David Mack on the science board. And with guns like that, you need to really look at it seriously. I mean, this guy is world renowned out of London. I don't even want to try and explain what his title is, but when I heard him, and if you watch his videos on our website, you're convinced very soon as to why you want to be a part of this, and that essentially did it for me.